As liquid hot magma erupts from the Earth's core to the surface, the magma cools as it moves away from the center, which then turns into igneous rock. The igneous rock is now called the Canadian Shield and became the bottom for Canada. As more magma erupts, it creates new rock over the already hardened rock on the Canadian Shield. At first, the Canadian Shield was nothing but a big mountain range, where shallow seas covered the land at the bottom of the mountains. Weathering and erosion broke the Canadian Shield into sediments. The sediments fell into the sea and sat at the bottom. Layers of sediments were formed as the sediments fell into the water. With a lot of pressure over time, the layers were pressed together to create sedimentary rock.
The Canadian Shield is always rising, like pizza crust in the oven. As it rises, it carries some of the sedimentary rock from the seafloor out of the water with it. The first region to take its current shape was the east. The sedimentary rock was very heavy, so heavy, in fact, it pushed against the earth and began to fold the crust, forming mountains. This folding rock became the once great Appalachian Mountains. At first, they were huge mountains, towering over the landscape, that over millions of years were worn down into the gently rolling hills we see today. Next, in the west, the great Rocky Mountains were created when two of the Earth's plates crashed into each other. Since they have been around not that long compared to the Appalachians, they haven't been weathered as much, so they are currently the tallest mountains in Canada. Some parts of Canada did not experience these mountain-making forces and remained as the flat, low-lying lands made of sedimentary rock. Some examples are the interior plains, the Hudson Bay lowlands, and the St. Lawrence lowlands.
The last event in geographic history of Canada was the Ice Age. The climate became a lot colder as lots of snow fell, and these layers of snow made glaciers. The glaciers started to move and scratched away the earth below. When the glaciers melted, all of the collected sediments were left behind.